Right, welcome back to another Steve Does Thursdays. We are today, I am now filming on our new camera, which hopefully will give a better quality video, and I've been on Temu to buy some bits for it. What we bought was the Osmo Pocket 3, paid for with our own money, and we certainly don't make enough out of YouTube to pay for it. So, but it's all to help with better quality for you and for us, and make life a little bit easier. So, what did I buy from Temu? I paid £35 for this lot, and obviously had to wait a little while for it to turn up. But let's see what we bought to hopefully help make things better. Oh, the boxes, packets, odds and sods. Let's get them there and then we can do what we do best. Now some of this you're going to go, what? What's it all about? Well, that's everything. Right, what have we got? Right, first of all, this is not for the camera, but this is a Digby. It's been nicknamed Digby, because we sent it to Chris, the butcher, and Lou, his lovely wife. Let's just snip it open and show you. If I can remember, I'll put the prices, but 35 quid for the lot I paid. And it's for breaking up mince while you're cooking it, and it makes life a lot easier. So bought one of them. We bought a light to help when Pen's filming in the kitchen. Cheap. Is it any good? You tell us when we're telling you we're using it. So we bought a light. What else? Oh, it's going to be a lot of connectors and things to try and make. What you've got to realise is that our kitchen is barely big enough for two people. So everything that Pen does is, and putting the camera, so we try and get a better shot, is very difficult, which is why a lot of the time it seems like we're close, because we bleating are. Right, there you go. So that's a hot shoe connector that we can connect the light basically onto the new gizmo we've got for holding the camera and the mobile phone at the same time. So one of them, some connectors, odds and sods, for being able to screw the camera onto things. Two more there. Don't worry, we'll get to the better stuff. Sucking thing for holding the camera. Pen's in the shower, so I can get away with this. More nuts and bolts to help position the camera. This is going to be quite useful. Right, the bar that we can put the camera, phone, lights all onto one thing, and then we can stick it on a tripod. So that's going to be very useful. more connectors, another connector to help out. I know, it's exciting, isn't it? It's for us. But this is all to try and help produce better videos. Ah, little tripod. That'll come in very handy. There you go. And we're talking pennies, really. 35 quid for all this stuff. So, Temu, I guess, gets a bad rap. People saying it's junk. And some of the stuff will be cheaply made. But if it does a job, what more do you want? That's exactly what you want it to do. This is another, right, this is another holder. Well, the magnetic one. Blimey, that magnet works, doesn't it? Get off. Right, so we'll be able to put the camera into there and bang, put it on maybe the yeah, what am I trying to say? Don't know. But anything metal, it'll stick to and help. So it's all about trying to get the best shot for you. What's this? Oh, I know what this is. This is apparently an invisible selfie stick. How it is becomes invisible, I have no idea, but I'm sure Pen will read the instructions because I won't. Oh, something else in there, I believe. Oh yeah, an adapter. Right, and the last thing in this order is a bag to carry everything that we need to protect the camera while we're out and about. Look at that, sections, and I'm saying 35 quid. I'm really quite happy with that. So there you go, something different for you. The main reason I did this video was because we are friends with other people who do YouTube and they all use cameras. So this is a bit of a show for them as much as anybody, I guess, to say, look, this is what's available on Temu. Don't be scared. I've not been ripped off yet, and I don't expect to be ripped off by YouTube. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and obviously keep cooking.